back again for another review. I tried as much as possible to make sure I didn't do this. I wanted to give you guys the first hand unboxing of the Google Home Mini. So I actually broke the box, but I don't know how I managed to leave it at that, just for you guys. So let's go down into the box and see what we have. This is what I've taken off. So wow, this is it. This is the Mini. This is the chalk color. I think it comes in black and copper. This is the chalk color. And what else is in this box? Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay, then we have a let's get started. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, plug it in, get the app. Okay, that means we need an app for this thing to run. Then get to know your Google Home Mini. Okay, these are just some little things I could say to it, like some initial commands. Then okay, safety and warranty, yeah, your warranty card, safety and all that. Then wow, this charger is looking good, well packaged, and I think this is actually a very long charger. Let's see if we have any other thing in the box. Okay, no other thing. So that is it about the Google Home Mini. For I think Google they are direct competitors to Apple, and as you can see, if it's just for this charger, if I close off this Google Mark, you would think it's an Apple charger. It's actually well built, well finished, and this is what we've come to expect from Apple products. And down to the speakers themselves, it looks like a pebble, like a white pebble. So what we're gonna do, let's see if we could get this thing powered up. But I think we need the app. I think I'm already downloading that on my phone. Let's see if we're ready for that. Okay, but for now, let's just power it up and see what we could do. Okay, wow, nice clips. I like this. The finishing is really great. Gotta place the power source. And now let's power it up for the first time and go. Okay, nothing yet. I think we have gesture controls all over this. Let's see. Okay, I think we'll have to go for a break. Let's find out how to power this guy up, and I'll be back.